see what we got. Why won't it let me send this? Come on, X. Stop screwing with me. But is that Casey? Good morning.
Good morning. What's up, dude?
Yes, how we doing?
Good, good. How are you guys doing this morning?
I'm doing fantastic. Just amazing. Boom!
Just amazing.
Let's go.
Do a wonderful day.
What's up, Casey? What's up, Evan?
What's up? What's up?
Good morning, good morning.
The XOM 165 puts are in the money. 160s did just hit first big target downside, so we got a nice payday yesterday on these. I'm going to be trimming out majority here at the open and just being runners.
Very nice. The contest. How much is GDXU up from yesterday's open? 24%. Oh my gosh, if we hold, I better take the dub. And I also did Shiny, SHNY. What a great name for an ETF. That is up about 10.8%. So, we're just cooking.
Cooking.
I want that gold medal. Our boy Will has been killing it on the stock picks. I need to get back on the podium. He's come in and kind of just dominated all of us a little bit on that competition. So I gotta take back the crown, you know. Take back the crown.
The VIX is at 25. It was below it, came back above it a bit.
Citibank downgrades PPG to neutral, lowers price target to 113.
This looks like a little bit out of the gate to like 140s maybe. I don't know what we'll do after that, but that's what it looks like so far. Just a flat.
I want to see if we respect this 15-minute gap or not. 105.50, if it gets ran through to the upside, that means we're just disrespecting that area and this can go higher. If we respect this area, I'm going to look for shorts down to London low and Asia low.
That's crazy. We're looking at the same level for different reasons.
Love it. Isn't that so cool?
It is. It really is.
Market opens here in 15 seconds.
It's
Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Oh, they good.
Let's go, baby. Do I have any clear gaps to inverse? No. I think I do. Oh.
All right, a little dumpy dump.
It's this gap here on the 5-minute. Yeah, so he's dropped into a little 5-minute gap out of this 15-minute. We're trying to respect that 15 minutes. So it's either we respect that and run through this 5-minute, and I'll maybe try shorts, or it flips here and tries to get over that 105.50. Let's see.
Okay, let's see.
I tried it. I won 24,074 POC and VWAP.
Five-minute gap.
Throws.
We're respecting this 5-minute. Interesting. We're just stuck between 5-minute
That's not
spot
bad.
and that 15-minute spot.
I'm
One of
fine.
them's got to give.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like it might be the 5-minute. Makes sense. Lower time frame. Will it allow me an entry though, and not just tank to target on this one candle? That's the question.
Google's still rising. That was a strong one yesterday too. MU with a pop.
Running that. ES looks much stronger than today here. So far. I didn't even read off what we have on the economic calendar for this morning, but we do have ISM manufacturing PMI at 10 a.m. We had retail sales this morning and ADP non-farm employment change, which came out decently higher than the forecast. Retail sales were higher than forecast as well.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait a few minutes, let this play out, see what the market wants to do, and then make so much money.
Some money.
But so far, bounce there, already up 85 points.
That nice bounce. Trying to run through that area that I talked about. Should mean most recent highs at 840 to get tapped into.
IWM, I'm looking for a short 252 to 253.
There's a small gap on SPX to the upside that still needs to be filled around 65.92.
Crude oil trying to come in a bit, slip down 1.8%.
True.
INTC is ripping.
INTC.
IGV is actually weak, which is the tech software sector. That's interesting. Again, Google is strong. Google's up there. Google, AMD. Google and AMD are the only things at highs right now for the big names.
INT's ripping because they announced a definitive agreement for Intel to repurchase 49% equity interest in the joint venture related to Intel's Fab 34 in Ireland.
Walmart opened up, breaking the 4-hour trend line.
You're trading in big daily gap here. Nothing burn me up. Nike's dropping even more, down 13%.
Nike's down 13%.
Yeah, dude, earning.
Piece of shit stock.
And lots of downgrades. It's rough out there.
Tough out there for a pimp.
Mm-hmm. Steady pimping ain't easy. Alright. We trying to rip.
See, OD,
We may-
Q, positive.
Looks like we'll open up a new 5-minute cap. That'll be money line in the sand. Qualcomm getting a bounce into the open here. Google's ripping as well, holding well.
Yeah.
We've
It's
ripping.
Google and AMD for the big names that are doing really good.
AMD.
Oh, well, Meta too, actually. Meta. Meta.
Tesla's down.
Meta.
Meta. Yeah, Meta's cooking.
Those are the three big papas.
Big pop.
Looking
Gotta
at
show
short
that
here,
one
go up
again.
in this area to 96.
I love it when you come
My
in.
big papa. IWM, I want to short 252 to 253. AMD, I'm still watching.
I need to stop some profit on my short.
190.
Okay, I got stopped profit right there.
Smartphone market is bracing for a potential 31% slump in shipments over the coming year, which affects Qualcomm, Apple.
Okay, I started a short on AMD.
Well, open up 5-minute gap. If we tap into that and I get a setup, I can play longs to this internal high we have at 245, 840 Eastern high.
I want to short it here again. Can do a 5-minute candle.
Whoa, Roma Green Finance down really bad. Down 12% after tanking red for like a week straight. It's down 71% from its most recent high. That's bad.
That's bad.
That's really bad. It is no good, sir. All right, 5-minute gap open. This is a clear condition for me. Or we drop down resist higher and high, or we drop through this. We try and seek out lows.
Good morning.
Maybe seek out. Go on. Mink. Morning.
Oh no. We're gone soon. We're gonna be gone soon.
Yeah.
He's
Ready
lagging.
for either. I'm lagging?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little robotic.
Guys, it was great trading with you this morning. I'll see you in an hour when Jordy comes back.
Don't you worry now. Don't you worry.
Oh, he's back. He's back.
Fool's Day.
Am I still lagging?
I don't know.
Sound a bit better.
Hold
Yeah.
on. Hold on.
Let him cook. Hold up. Let him cook. So now NQ's dropping and D is still going down.
All right, should be better now.
Oogie. Yeah, no, you're good. I mean, you sound good.
Refresh.
My engine showed bullish. I'm actually just waiting for an entry to go long. Okay. Gonna go long. Should have probably waited for a better entry, but
Looking for something similar. I want to see us drop to this 135 here.
Microsoft pulling back.
There it is.
the hell is
Like
this?
it any second.
Yeah.
Still there,
Oh,
or do we?
Out.
dumpy candles.
See if we respect this area or run through it.
We just got mixed.
Yeah,
one's
we
fine
did.
with
I
me.
got minks too. Shit. But I have a hard stop loss of 70 ticks. So. And thankfully, it was only on one account. Move fast. That was a bad entry.
Wow, that was a big fucking drop. And we're still going a little bit. Okay, AMD, I'm trimming here.
Sorry, what's the Iran thing?
It must be. I'll look in a second. Strait won't reopen based on Trump's absurd displays.
Didn't we know that? Isn't that the whole reason that the conflict would end? I'm not even trying to be political. Isn't that just the headlines?
Yeah.
Yeah. That is crazy. I like how they play with these headlines right around the open, right on the market, you know?
Oh yeah, gotta love it.
Absolutely.
Looks like we're running.
Oh, they're fucking nuking it.
I might
Yeah.
be
They're gonna.
getting shorty.
And there's Google rejection right around that 296. Pulling back.
Oh, we're at lower day there.
IWM hit pre-market high to the penny.
AMD's up 33% here on my runners. I'm just gonna close them out there. Reminder, Trump speaks at 9 p.m. tonight. I know that really doesn't mean much intraday, but
Let's see if we reject 108. And then our
Microsoft is very weak.
or not. Let's see.
I guess a reload spot for sure. Looks like it.
Yeah, potentially. Just ran through that 5-minute gap. I gotta expect London Asia lows now. So I do like the short to there. It's big risk right now though, in terms of points. My size has to be down.
some calls coming in on Dell. Yesterday I mentioned the sweep underneath 157 down to 155 daily trend line. Stock is up about $10 or $11 off that low, pushing back up to a 170. Some 172.5 calls coming in for tomorrow. Nice.
I want to enter a short, but Jesus.
Hold the view off a bit.
Apple popping up still.
Is it?
Okay, I'm short.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I got short at 24 100, but
Casey.
looking for a 1-to-1 or 1-to-1.
Yeah.
Dude. He's mega long from 10 minutes ago.
Dude, what the shit?
Right on the drop.
From London.
Holy fuck.
Here we go.
Foreign Minister of Iran said only they will find the future of the Strait of Hormuz. Looks like that's why the market might be coming in. I have targets at London low. Could go all the way to Asia. I'm going break even at new low today.
Look at the Missy Elliott bot already trying to send some stuff out this morning. What you doing, girl? Sit down.
What are you doing, girl?
I have to. I gotta change it to when the candlestick closes. But Missy Elliott sending out some alerts already this morning. Docu for a sell, for a move downside this morning. Adobe, also a sell. What else she looking at? MasterCard MA was a sell.
Fed's Masalam says if Iran war ends in 2 weeks, I'd be looking for lingering risk premiums. Would be looking for echoes from conflict and tighter financial conditions.
She's trying to trigger a buy right now on Honeywell.
Come on, let me get even.
Honeywell, wonderful
Pick up this
company.
internal low. Was that Evan? What did you say, Evan?
I was just saying Honeywell.
Honeywell.
KC, shout out, beautiful company. Nothing about it right now, more in the long term.
Yeah. Great company. Great stack.
Get your thermostat and your intercontinental ballistic missile in the same place.
Yeah. That's a company that gets my vote
It's like
9
a-
times out of 10.
Ticker BIAF is within.
That's just pure America, if you ask me.
Yeah,
AC
nothing
and
more
bombs, baby.
American than that. Yeah, nothing more American than that. Ooh, Western Digital. Watch for a short right here, but stock's up like 8.5%.
I need NQ to drop to 24,000, 36.25 to be able to go break even on the straight, and then I'm happy. Could care less what happens after. Disney stock is.
Wait, 24,000 what?
I guess that's done a big move. 23,000 or 24,036. Sorry. If we pop up here and run through 135.75, probably get stopped. because the volatility is higher though, and technically my risk is pretty big in terms of points. I had to go quite small on the contracts, not really risking the amount I'd want to. So it is a bit of a lighter trade, but can't really risk another contract. It's just too much risk on this. By the way, if you're in the audience and you're enjoying the show this morning, make sure you guys repost the spaces, like the spaces here, follow all the panelists that join us every single morning, and
Let's go, dude.
give their thoughts. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Everyone on the trading account here. It's a great morning. Let's see if we can make some money on.
Free prop firm people too. It seems like all these prop firms are doing their discounted thingies right now.
There are so many. I'm gonna make a full post about it here, here in a little bit for everybody. So keep watching the timeline. But right now, 40% off Tradify, with 50% off of Vanquish for any of the options traders out there that want to trade on prop. What was it? 90% off at Apex right now. It's a ton of deals right now. So
Alpha Futures, we never talked about that one.
yeah, Alpha's 50% off. I think that's the first 50% off they've ever ran. Highest has been 30% off. On the short, we have a 5-minute gap that we run through. And we just shouldn't be doing that if we're going to hold this short and continue lower and go in my favor here. We should be able to run through that. So if we do, I might end up closing my position a little early for a much smaller loss than what I would take here. If you respect it, that's ideal.
Well, we're gonna chop, so I'm just gonna wait.
Yeah, and that's what it'll really tell me too if we run through this area is like, well, if plenty of gaps we just like ran through. If we are just running through back and forth each one, it's telling me this area is just inefficient. I probably shouldn't be trying to press it too hard here. But I mean, clearly respecting 5 minutes so far. We have about 30 seconds until it closes. As long as we can hold under this, I think I still like this. Back to break even on my position right here. Slow open though. Not really getting efficiency in one direction yet. Closed, respecting, not just respecting, but like body couldn't even close within that gap, which I do like. Only a wick. I just need some clear displacement so I can go break even. Not seeing it. Trying to hold this 84. Come on, just lose that.
Yeah, I'm still watching here.
ISM manufacturing PMI is about to come out 5 minutes.
Google new highs.
I don't mind holding through this, given that this trade is just such low risk and dollar value.
Google about to hit the 21 EMA on the daily.
This data could come out and stop me out very quickly, though. We'll see. Either way.
Yeah, data in 4.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine with the risk, though. Again, the risk in terms of points is about 83 points on this trade, which means I had to go really small in terms of contracts. And like the exact contract amount that I'm trading doesn't, like, I want to add one more, but if I add one more, then I go a little too far over what I'm willing to risk on a trade. So I'm technically risking even less than I would. But I'd rather risk less than more. I'm fine with that. I can always find another trade to risk properly on.
Trying to push higher here.
A little bit.
Yeah, back to testing that 5-minute spot. I really want us to get away from that. And that we will.
The Model S and X from Tesla have officially come to an end.
An era.
True. Who wants my Model X?
Not doing nothing. Little slow into the open. How's gold? Gold's holding, not continuing though. Crude oil continuing to the downside a little bit this morning. That's actually good for the market, which kind of bad for me being in a short. Data in less than 1 minute here. See what we get.
Baby.
Memory names doing super well today. MU, SanDisk is up 7, MU's up 5, and you also have VIAV pushing at 7%. Those things are super strong.
$52.3 is expected on the ISM manufacturing here.
Okay.
52.7 versus 52.3.
Pretty muted reaction so far.
Yeah.
Not too crazy.
We're holding.
It looks like we might just go up.
Might run through my defense against longs, yeah. Testing this gap for the third time now. Still respecting it.
Oh. So we need to break above 140, which was the 950 high. If that happens, then we go higher. If not, we are muted and possibly lower, but we could do that here in the next few minutes. So what, 140 is a big spot. over 140.
Yeah, running through this gap so far.
Dude, talk about shrink. Those MUs and SanDisk are just going off a bean, dude.
Ridiculous. Oh my
They're
gosh.
going off a bean right now.
Oh, they're ripping. Let's see.
Palantir's coming off a
Oh, yeah. They are ripping.
Iran says they would welcome Russia as a mediator.
Oh god.
SanDisk.
If we can pull back to like 110, 115-ish and hold, I'm gonna look for a long. Oh.
Well,
Back stopped.
My engine says bullish. I hate taking longs. I hate them.
I love them. I just
Fucking hate
don't
'em.
up here right now.
I need to find a way to like have my chart inversed.
Yeah. Every time I'm about to trade higher, you just gotta flip that chart, Nixie.
I know. I'm not joking. I need to like figure out. I know that there's a way on TradingView, but I don't know how to do it.
You know what you could do? You can save a different like layout that has your colors completely reversed, like for candlesticks, and the chart flipped.
I
So
gotta do
whenever
that.
you want to trade long, you just click to that layout and it's actually the chart flipped, but the colors are like normal. Like green candles are still up candles, red candles would be down candles still. Wouldn't, you know, you could do that.
That's actually huge.
That's the move. That's the move.
Somebody said Alt +1.
That might be the shortcut for it. Yeah. It might be different
that
on
flips
depending on
upside
if you're
down.
on Mac or PC.
That flips it upside down, but your candles stay the same color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let's see. Alt. What was that thing again? Alt.
And then I.
Oh, thanks. Thanks, Joe.
Yep.
Ha! There it is. Now I just gotta put the colors of the candles.
like, oh,
so
I
I don't
like
like I don't
I'm still
mess
short,
it up.
by the way. My stop is 187.50. It's only
Yeah.
about $188 risk on 6 accounts, though. I usually like to risk $250 per account, but if I add another contract, it's too much. So this might take me out at the highs.
Dude, those SanDisk contracts are going crazy. Holy, look at that. Yeah, bro, I bought them like damn near right off the open. I'm up 70% on them so far, 75. The ones that expired tomorrow, the 675s.
I've been in this trade for too long. Got any other individuals? Cooking Rocket Lab up 3%. In there.
ooh.
BA is up 4%. What's going on with BA? I don't know if I saw any news really. Catching a bid though. Catching a bid.
coming in a bit.
Do they save me? I don't know.
I'm checking the 156 there.
Same spot we were expecting to the downside. We're now like trying to hold to the upside. So I don't like that. There we go, running my stop. Let's see.
Just need a nice entry. That's all.
Intel at the highs. Flying 47.67 here. It's up 8%. Ooh. They're edging my stop loss. What will that be? 100. RENX ripping.
100% on those SanDisks now, Wolfie. It's up
Hey.
9.5%. New high day.
Let's go.
Huge.
That is amazing. Yeah, SanDisk just filled a little gap that we had there as well in the daily chart. Nice. $700s today. Come on. $7. She can do it. RENX of 90. Did I hear that right? 90%. Raymond James analyst upgrades. Disney ticker DIS. Announces a $115 price target. I'm speaking at 9 p.m. tonight.
I'll be right back, like 2 minutes.
Heard that. All the Asia session degens. Ready for a little spice.
Hold on, I'm just going mute for a second, guys. Just gotta take this phone call. 1 second. I am back. Okay.
He's back.
Oh, hello. How are you? Hello, how are you?
There he is.
God bless you.
Sandisk and MU are ripping and dripping. So, do we break the highs here, fellas?
You gotta get over value area high. 180s.
Sandisk at 700, just hit it.
Oh, Sandisk. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Your boy Bull Shark is so paid on this.
I'm actually looking for a possible short here, like 702 on it, 703. Would be a day trade only, though, not a swing. Hey, if they drop it here, I may not even get it. Fuck. Damn, these sniffles. Allergies. Fuck me.
I don't know where Will is at this morning, but I know he's probably paid big as well on XOM.
Oh, yeah.
Because we went short at the exact same time. The chart is at the top of spaces there. That'll show the entry point where it rejected that zone. And both of us were looking at how the daily was forming for that short and wanted to see that pullback on these stocks and with oil and full extension downside here, about to hit absolute full target for me. But these contracts are up huge with plenty of time.
INTC, new high day again, $48. Why?
Hey, Google, I'm in a short here. 295 puts for tomorrow expiration.
Hey, I am too.
Oh, shit. I mean, you know what that
But
means?
not for I didn't take tomorrow expiration. I took April 6th. But there's no volume on these freaking contracts. They move so weird.
We are stuck at the 21 on the daily. Funny enough, at that level, I actually have a resistance there.
I do as well on the 4 hour.
Hell yeah. And then on smaller time frames, 2, 3, 5, higher high. We actually just got a lower high in the past few minutes. It's very little, but we're starting to kind of curl. Yes, we could possibly still go up, but this is a good spot for me to definitely take a short. I mean, we're up $7 on the day, or $6 on the day, sorry, from the open. Sandisk, if we get to my 703, I may look for a short here. We're at 702 right now. And NQ pushing higher.
I'm mainly just chart watching right now. We had a huge run up yesterday, and I'm still leaning more bullish been bearish overall, but I don't see SPY going above. I think full extension today would be like 660, 661 if it happens. But I'm expecting a lot of chop and tighter range until probably after lunchtime.
Crude oil inventory is coming in here at 10:30.
Okay, there it is. Oh, I didn't realize I was on mute.
Iran foreign ministry spokesperson says Trump's statements about Iran requesting a ceasefire are false and baseless. You don't say.
Doesn't sound ideal.
My stop loss is on runners.
Yeah, Trump's gonna be pulling a lot of April Fool's jokes today.
Stop loss.
Tempest AI stock is jumped up this morning.
We 210 there on NQ. Let's see, what else do we have here?
Short-term Tempest is like that meme where it goes down so much and then goes up like however much percent. It's like, let's go.
Right.
We're at here, so we could do this. Google going higher. Depending on where this goes, I may stop out. SanDisk, I think I'm going to try my short here at 703.
Set an alert on this XOM so I don't miss it. Bit nice down a little bit lower. Got all sectors green except for energy's down. Oh my god. Let's go. Energy sector is down 4%.
Oh, is it really?
Here. Oh yeah, you got DVN down 2%, Oxy's down 2, XOM obviously is going down, CVX. This was perfect. We talked about Oxy for the short up in that $67 to $68 area. I think XOM probably printed a little bit better of return, but Oxy is pulling back down to 62. DVN was around that 52.50 area. That one very similar to XOM. Nice pullback.
Ooh, looks like the SanDisk short would have worked. I was too busy looking at Google. Okay, let's see if SanDisk goes up a little bit again.
Look at these 5-minute candles just all chilling right here at this midpoint. We are in a 5 and 15-minute squeeze, but they're diverging. So, yucky.
Google is going higher here. I'm watching that.
Dude, I made so much money on that SanDisk long SanDisk, Marvel, and Viav at the same time. They just paid so much.
Ooh.
Yeah, SanDisk over that.
Yeah, that's gotta be a nice day.
I had the 675s, and then I rolled them all the way up to 705, and they're still ripping.
Dang.
That's how we do it.
Almost 9,000 on the day.
Huge.
It's a big day, baby.
Gold coming in.
Got some NBIS flow coming in.
Not much new gamma on ES. Just some shit, you know?
Yeah.
No crazy.
I mean, SPY stuck for 30 minutes now. Qs look slightly better. IWM, nothing too crazy. Ooh, JPM just sold off pretty hard. So is Morgan Stanley. Your banks, all banks taking a hit right now. Bank of America pulling back a little bit. A little bit on Wells Fargo. Mainly JPM, Morgan Stanley both just had two larger 5-minute flush candles, new lows.
Ah.
Super chat.
Next high is that 840 high this morning.
Yeah, 242-ish.
Yeah, I have 245 even.
That's what it is. Yeah, 245. All right, Google, time to die.
Slow melt up, eh? TY has a little bit more juice. Looks like.
Now I know how Rizzo feels when he shorts.
Yeah, it's like the same thing for Rizzo on the opposite end.
Oh, God. It's insane. Well, my engine didn't lie.
No, it
This
did
thing is
not.
92% hit rate, you guys, in this turmoil. It's insane. And I tried to fade it earlier. That's even crazier.
All right, we're dropping a bit here.
Could tap into this 15-minute gap. We just opened up 153.
Nothing too crazy. Yeah, there's a lot of buying at 213s and it failed. Here we go.
Ooh.
I'm gonna call price spread right now. I'll look to make an iron condor, but I'm selling calls first.
SPX, what'd you get?
What'd you get?
K-Diz. Damn bastard.
Tapping into 15-minute gap. Can we keep flushing it? Let's see.
Where's my Google at? Oh, yeah, baby. Okay. I sees you.
Google rejected the top of the zone so far. Still watching. I'm not going to sit in this one for too long, but I'm just looking for a 295 break and a sell down to closer to 294. If it continues to chop here around this entry price, then I'll just close them.
Yeah, I'm green only $12 a contract right now. Nothing crazy. I do want to see under, honestly, yeah, 295.
Still crazy candles on JPM and Morgan Stanley with some volume. Someone sent a headline saying that JPM CEO says that the bank is open to the possibility of entering prediction markets within the future. It's the only thing I see there.
Damn, I fucked that up a little bit. Bouncing out of that 15-minute gap now.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, spaces. It's time for me to get some breakfast on me.
Sounds goody, brother. Good to see you.
You as well,
See you
brother.
later.
I will see you guys later.
Yes, sir.
Ciao, ciao.
Looks like we're gonna
Bye,
try
Joe.
and move higher out of that 15-minute gap. Looking nice. Oh wow. Oh wow.
That's news for sure.
News! What's
Wow.
the news?
It's gotta be news.
What's the news? I wish we had a news guy.
Yeah, that guy's slacking.
I have the squawker in my ear. They're just saying it's up. Nothing specific.
I can do that job. Guys, market's going up here.
Yeah. They're just like,
What's
yeah, up.
What's the news behind? No idea. But
No clue.
S&P moving a little bit higher here.
Yeah.
Oh, back down. Still don't see a headline anywhere.
I would think it was a headline.
I see one about Vice President Vance, but it doesn't really seem that significant.
What was that one?
Just says that he's been talking about the Iran conflict.
Yeah, that wouldn't be anything crazy in my opinion.
No.
Still didn't take out that 840 high there. Got a tick away.
Strait
Oh, wow.
has been renamed to the Strait of Trump.
Imagine.
Here's another headline. Same thing about Vance.
Google
just
weaker, by
more-
the way. SanDisk weaker. What else?
Oh, Google it. Great.
Google it.
Bang juicy. Depending on how this hourly candle closes in 18 minutes, if Google does pull back down to 295, I'm going to be full port short. No, I'm just kidding. But Trump directed Vance to communicate privately that he is open to a ceasefire as long as the certain U.S. demands are met, including reopening the Strait up. This is nothing new.
But the other day he said we don't need the Strait open.
Like, You're either saying the same shit another day or just contradicting yourself with another headline the day after. And you're going back to the original one and then doing it again on a Thursday. Like,
we live in a crazy timeline.
This is
You
dumb.
know, it's called confuse your enemies because you're confused.
It's called Confucius.
No, actually, I read something earlier today. I thought it was hilarious. It says, since he doesn't have a clue what he's talking about, what he's doing, neither do all the enemies.
By the way, I'm trimming my Google puts. Nothing crazy, but
Mine are bouncing around. They go a few dollars green, a few dollars for red, or just sitting near entry.
yeah, I just trimmed for $17 a contract. Again, nothing crazy, but I don't know. It's just like slow. Market's trying to lead up. Still, kinda. I guess. Who knows?
Nobody knows. IWM, I mean, I think looks the best. Out of the 3 spike using IWM,
It's
IWM
the best.
is the best.
Oh, did we just rip again?
Yeah, it came down, dropped on that 15-minute gap. Nice buy spot. 150.
So just a random bike, but no like true headline behind this.
Mine did just spin if oil got a little blip down.
Top Gulf aluminum producer, EGA halted smelter after Iran strike.
Yeah, I just saw that.
All right, guys, I'm out of here. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Sounds good.
Bye,
See you
Maisie.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye, Meeks.
Bye. Bye.
Here's Google 295. See if it can break this spot here and let me get a little green day trade. Other than that, if we just continue to chop or hold here, I'm just going to sit on hands and go take a nap on my couch. I don't know, something better than watch this price action.
Yeah. Nice little nappy.
Yeah, the kids are gone for the day. Go take a nap.
There you go.
Kitties are on a field trip today, huh?
Yeah, they with the grandparents.
Nice.
Go hang out over there for the day. They set up an Easter egg hunt around their house outside for them.
Nice.
If you bought $1,000 of ticker PGR, that's progressive, 20 years ago, it would be worth $7,599 today.
Let's go. Oh, I'm green. Google. Ah,
He's green.
greatest on the Googly Doogles. Wait, Googly Moogly. That dang juicy.
Thy portfolio shall end green today.
Ooh, nice shot. $1,300. Great job. Great work. Hell yeah.
Oh.
For Google, make sure you put limit orders in these freaking contracts just in case premiums spike, they'll fill you because they're popping right now. Like, they're a little These ones are a little wonky. They're a little janky. Nice job, MC. Google Profits. Let's go. Put an alert over 190 on these contracts to safety trim this bullshit, but discussions are taking place about a possible ceasefire between the U.S. and Iran in return for the reopening of the Strait. 3 U.S. officials unclear if deal can be reached.
Rip it.
Guys, you say the same thing, just use different words.
No.
Oh, there you go, Casey.
What?
294.50.
Yeah, I need a little bit more. I need closer to 294 before I start.
More.
More.
Bro,
What?
I am connected to the internet. Bring it back.
I'm getting bored.
Oh my gosh. Are you joking me? Internet's cooked. Aha. Got it. Like I said, Wi-Fi being questionable this morning. Ooh, another poppy. Intel new highs up over 10% today. Dang. About to take out intraday high on NQ. That should let me go break even.
SPX is almost at the gap fill. About $5 away.
Stop me break even.
I just went flat on Google, by the way. I'm bored.
MU is pumping. 370. Actually hit 90 EMA just right now. Just hit the 90 EMA right there. 370.13. AMD. AMD. IWM.
Amazon new highs, AMD new highs.
Come on.
Cruise lines popping up. NCLH.
Taking out the high there. Instant rejection off that high. This is the 840 high on NQ. Finally took it. ES already took it earlier. Beautiful longs out of that 15-minute gap. Just, I need this to run the 266 or else I get stopped the break even. Here we go. Sending higher. Give me 266.75.
Pop it.
This is my last trade. I didn't freaking go heavy enough.
There it is.
Gap filled SPX.
Oh no, just give me a little bit more.
Have a daily level at 65.95, and obviously 6,600 is like right above.
Give me TP! Oh, she's right there, bro. Don't do the dilly on me. Just give me my 1-to-1. Yeah, still pushing. I might have been in.
All right, I am in an iron condor right now on SPX.
Give me the loot.
Give me the hoot.
Just a little bit more, sir. Fight me here. We hit 264.75. I need 266.75.
Tesla pre-market high from pre-market low. Meta's over pre-market high. Meta's strong.
You like that?
Yeah, Meta's getting a nice candle right now to the upside. There we go. Amazon just back tested pre-market high and holding.
TP hit them all out there.
There you go, Jordan.
Here we go.
So SPY didn't get the move. Is QQQ slightly getting? Yeah. Q's slightly short.
What a weird morning. Stopped out on the short that started. And then I took another short, which worked out, but my dumbass sized the wrong size contracts because the risk was much smaller there. So my dumbass clicked. So I like hit TP, but it was for like a quarter of the amount of contracts I should have had on. There you go. Got this 15-minute move. I have to be done. It's too much. I'm over it.
I am keeping my hands nice and warm right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna be doing that the rest of the day.
Jordan's like, I was in that trade for way too long. And
I was in the short for way too long. I was in this long for way too long. The only one I was putting was the second short I took. I was in it for 1 5-minute or 1 2-minute candle, which that was the best play I had all morning. But I fucking took it with 1 contract instead of 5. Pissed.
SPY is still between pre-market high and low.
We got her back. Green.
Insane.
6 accounts are green, and I'm done. Ugh. God, if I just sized that short properly, it would have been a really good morning. But whatever. We move on.
Yeah, IWM's at a little bit of resistance. You're hitting high of day from Thursday, March 26th. So you do have some resistance up here. You have big resistance at 253 on IWM, but you do have a daily level up here at 251.86. So you could see very little rejection or stall up here. But it looks to clean. I like IWM the best of all.
Yeah, it looks the best. Like it's the best. New high again.
I think we pushed up a little bit higher still.
Yeah, we're at the top of this daily gap that we're trading in at 293.75. I could see us hitting that on Ethiopia. I'm all out of my long now, though.
God, that one buy signal yesterday at 11.
Oh yeah, sexy.
That was the only signal yesterday on the freaking indicator on the 5-minute. I think it hit everything. It was on SPY, Qs, SPX, NDX. That was beautiful.
We've had 3 separate trade setups. Like an hour. usually not that nice. I forgot it's. I mean, I know it is, but I just didn't really realize like it's first of the month. I was like just started out good.
I wonder how many people on X are like, the market is so back, big bullish. Like, nah. You remember the chop that we were in from Wednesday, Thursday, March 18th and 19th, all the way to the 25th, a week later? We're just going back to that chop range. And then guess what? Even if we break that chop range, SPX can go all the way back to like 6,800. And then guess what? There's another big chop range right there as well. But I will say, yesterday when SPX broke above like 64.40, I was like, I want to see 135 points higher, and we just hit it. But I would like to see the market kind of consolidate near these highs. No big rejection, no straight rip through it, but news headlines will take precedent over what I feel. Yeah, BA looks good.
What a series of events this morning. Just
Time to slow it down. Little upper wiki there on IWM, hitting that area. I don't think we see fat rejections today. I think we can just see scalping moves. Stall. Vol DQs still very positive. VIX under 24. NVIDIA pushing up here. Nice little pennant break on your 5 minute.
oh my gosh, I didn't even realize my April Fool's post kind of blew up. Oops.
Yeah, I'm gonna be big short on spot once that area gets retested.
Which one?
Like 660, 661.
Hmm.
I'm gonna be fat short.
Corey delivers leading interference performance. What's this?
Be fat short, just like a little stub, a little nub.
Well, no.
I'm so freaking short and fat up there.
Short and fat.
Ooh, daily gap about to get tapped into 293. I'm about to flip long. 2 shorts, 1 long. I kind of got to clown myself for that first one because yesterday, just basically the same setup. It's more of a pattern trade, and it failed yesterday. And I was clowning everybody that took it. And now today I take the same one. So y'all can clown me for that one. That's fun. Literally the same setup. It was a pattern trade, no real context behind it. Like there was, but that 15-minute gap we ended up closing above and I was still in it. Should have been out when that happened. I made a post saying, if you took this, you need to get your eyes checked.
Where's Trump speaking at? Oh my god. What are these headlines?
He's speaking right now?
I don't know. I'm seeing some
Let me see.
headlines.
Hold on.
Trump. JP Morgan forecast only one BOE rate hike in 2026 after interview. JP Morgan expects the BOE to hike interest rates by 25 basis points in June versus the prior forecast to hike interest rates in April and July. Trump's at the Supreme Court right now. Ukraine wasn't our problem. It was a test, and we were there for them. And we would always have been there for them, but they weren't there for us.
Apparently Top Step has acquired the futures desk.
Ooh. Arvel looking like it wants to roll a little bit here after the push it had this morning. SPY just hit Tuesday, March 24th high. Pre-market high is right above. AMD 10-minute kind of looks like a short. A little intraday.
Hit the 50 SMA on the daily AMD.
Did it now?
Like to the penny.
Let me see where it's at. Oh yeah, that's a good spot. I am just again chart watching right now.
Yeah, I see NQ getting to 308.
Yeah, I'm tape reading rest of the day. Dunzo. No man.
Oh yeah. Trump's at Supreme Court. Trump sits front row at the Supreme Court as justices consider ending birthright citizenships, becoming the first sitting president to attend oral arguments. So Trump's sitting front row in the Supreme Court, watching people argue back and forth, and he's just gonna be like, "No, yeah, I can see that." Just stirring the fucking pot.
Professional pot stir.
My volume profile has that on NQ at 24 to 87. Like the high point of controls down at 170. But price action just slow. Got a 30-minute note above around like 24 to 90. Your 1 hour is about to be extended again on NQ. Risk to reward, if you're looking for anything right here, short.
Oracle layoffs will help cost savings, analysts say. The software giant recently said it's raising $50 billion for its data center build out. The jobs cuts will free up cash flow and increase revenue in the long term, analysts are saying, for Oracle there.
AMD new highs. Ooh, glad
Yeah.
close Google. Look at that. Now it's at 297. That's kind of the top of the 4 hour.
Kind of like having Benzinga Pro. All this news.
Meta, after that big pop, just going sideways right here. Coin looks like a short on that back test.
Sentiment has shifted on Copilot. Analysts supported Microsoft stock amid AI slump. Wow, I didn't know this. Microsoft reported their worst quarterly performance since the 2008 financial crisis due to worries about its AI capital. This past quarter, that's wild.
Airlines doing decent today, holding up through cruise lines.
Wells Fargo analyst David Strauss initiates coverage on Boeing with an overweight rating and announces price target of 250 on Boeing BA. It's been ripping today. Nice moves.
It just had a sell signal come in.
It did get a little slap there.
Damn, I wanted us to short at 308,
11:10.
but they're not bringing it there.
But,
Still up 4.6% on the day.
oh yeah, I mean the daily, really nice recovery down there off that 190. Here, that 210 area, just a little tough, but Now, airline's good. Cruise line's looking good. How's your retail? Flat, nothing. Boring.
Me? Nothing.
Just hanging around.
Apparently, Visa introduced 6 AI-powered dispute resolution tools aimed at reducing the billions of dollars lost each year to fraud and inefficient, outdated processes. Hell yeah. Gosh. Hell yeah. Fucked. That's wild.
Okay, we're going for a bounce.
God, dude, I'm just going through a watch list of 180 tickers, and like 90% of these are like, why am I even here? Looking at any of these. Amazon moving slow, but has been looking decent ever since it reclaimed pre-market low. Broke above the midpoint at 10.05, cruising up a little bit. AMD printed a buy signal at 950. Consolidated, still kind of moving up a little bit higher. Nvidia almost got the pre-market highs, but did not, pulling back a little bit. Microsoft could be a short right here. That back test. Oh.
Come on. Show me 308.
Oh no, Philip Morris stock falls as Zyn delays threaten major growth engine. Zyn approval delays could push out a key growth catalyst for Philip Morris. Long the lip pillies.
US and Iran are discussing a ceasefire for reopening the strait. Market didn't even move on that. Is it quiet or is it me? Okay, I just didn't know if I got disconnected or something. Come on, 308.
SpaceX has filed confidently for an IPO.
Yeah, they did.
Confidential, apparently. WMG, Warner Music Group agrees to acquire Revelator's state-of-the-art independent music platform. Chopping on NQ now.
Yeah, it didn't get there. Oh, 5-minute hanging man.
Oil's ripping here. Back to $100. Nike's still down 13.8% today. Eli Lilly's ripping here. It's almost 3% today. Talking about that in the pre-market. Although one, I'm just getting a headline, I think. What's the headline?
So I meant 10-minute hanging man, not 5-minute on NQ.
I don't know what this headline is. But she popped.
Got 3 minutes left to see if they confirm that hanging man or not. If they confirm it, I'm going short. Qs.
Oil just ripped up a little bit. Just a little bit. Two hours into the open, and SPY is still between pre-market high and low. Neither have even been touched yet.
Easy. 10-minute. Oh, yeah. I'm going short. Hold on.
You're talking to somebody who's already in it, Daddy.
Oh, baby.
Look at oil.
Reppin', you said?
Yeah, it's popping. It broke this little wedge. It's getting a nice ripper candle right up here. SPY. Q's IWM still stalling right up here. I like it. I'm in Microsoft as well. It broke this trend line, rejecting the daily midpoint perfectly. Looking for a little bit more of a move down. So see if overall we can get just a little pullback here. Let oil do its thing.
Okay, I'm in QQQ short.
Bring it down, Daddy.
584 puts for tomorrow expiration.
What was the high on ES? 95.12. What's the level? 95.75. Close. We're still sitting in this not 5 minute. 5 minute squeeze is done. Still in the 15-minute squeeze.
So they're bringing it back.
Oil just hit 100. Holy LLY, Jesus Christ.
First target is 230 NQ. Another 23 points here.
Coming in a bit.
10 minutes about to close with a sell signal in about 5 seconds.
Yep, we just confirmed the handyman on the 10-minute there. We closed under the wick.
And your 10-minute just printed a sell. Candle close. Next candle 9 times out of 10 goes red. Let's see. And here we go. Little pullback. There you go. There you go. There we go. Yeah.
Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom.
I'm gonna trim my Microsofts here. Yeah, IWM off the. I know you tell me something I already know.
You tell me something I already know.
I already said where it was at for the spot for the pullback. I said risk reward. You want to do anything right as a short. All right, I filled on Microsoft here, 205.
Okay, let's get on. If we get under 228, which is a 5-minute 9, I'm looking at 210. I'm still in the Sandish court, and I'm waiting. It's dropping now, but it was just sitting there for 45 minutes. I got to move under 690 on that thing. I'm going to get paid. I have 695 puts, so I'm actually in the money right now. We just got a bunch of NQ. No, at the 5-minute 9. No.
All right, stop and profit. Microsoft have orders at 215. I refuse to sit in trades longer than I have to, and not letting green trades go back to entry or red.
Yeah, they're holding that 10-minute 9, actually. I meant to say 10-minute 9, not 5-minute 9 this whole time. 10-minute 9 is at 230. And they held that.
They held that shit.
You trying to hold that shit. Yeah, come on, bring back down. For that shit, for that shit, for that. For that, drop it, for that, drop it, for that, drop it.
Wells Fargo announces price target of $60 on Rocket Lab.
Damn, SanDisk will not drive for me. Jesus Christ. Of course, NQ had a hold there. You bastard bitch.
Nice job, Russ. On the NQ short. Nice. Move it nice and slow. I love the slow price action.
We invite the slow melts.
Green overall on the Iron Condor right here. After adding the other side.
Nike down over 14% now. Note Nordic just got slammed as well. It's down 1.5 on the day. Just got slammed on the intraday. I don't see anything that came out there.
Five-minute candle just started, trying to print a buy signal on SPY. I just saw another headline. Oh, it's nothing crazy.
Pfizer and partner BioNTech say they will stop U.S. COVID-19 vaccine study in healthy adults ages 50 to 64 due to slow enrollment. I wonder why the enrollment's slow.
SpaceX has reportedly filed confidentially for an IPO.
Yes, sir.
What? God, LLY still trying to go. You can go up to like 980. Be a nice little short spot if it. Essentially, the rip that it just had, if it does it again, which would be insane. That 980 would be a really good spot. A little overextension. Oil coming down. Let's got to take another risk of Microsoft at entry. SPY new high of day.
Oh, top of this daily for value cap up here, 293.75. I'm curious if we try and run through that or reject the top of this here. Could be like the spot where we can try and put in intraday high.
Okay, I'm at my remaining shorts for loss.
We are almost at 6,600. Not quite there yet. Q's did not make a new high of day. Just this boozy willies. Microsoft chart's still valid, but
NQ made a high though. Q's didn't do it?
I think unless it just did it right there.
Oh yeah, it did.
Let me see. Yeah, okay, yeah.
I see 308.
Watch it just sell it back down and close underneath here. And even get to pre-market high on SPY, still didn't hit. Got a minute 45 seconds left. Buy signal is gone on the 5-minute candle now. IWM big upper wick as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm going to be closing down the stream. I'm going to head to the gym. I'll be looking for more trades and call spreads.
We're excited to announce that we're making our